in today's lesson we're going to go over something called predictability. So predictability, I mean, basically it is what it is. You're predicting maybe what's going to happen next. I'm going to play a couple songs here, the same ones that we've been listening to, and I want you to just watch my movements, especially on the drop in the very beginning. That is one of the most important parts of the entire song, because that can kind of make or break the rest of your movement and your dance, while going off to the song. So I'm going to play this more aggressive one. So again, just listen. You need to, when you're predicting, okay, your predictability is like, if there's a certain, you can feel it sometimes. There's a drop coming up, or there might be like a really heavy part in the song, or a real like soft, smooth, kind of like smoother like sounds or like synths. You can use your predictability as well as like your timing to kind of like sense that that's coming up, and it will set you up to do a certain move. Okay, so just kind of watch me for a second. So I know the drop's coming up. Okay. So I heard that drop coming up. I heard that it was like a brief pause. I'm gonna play it again. Right here. I heard this coming up, so I went right here. Okay. So I predicted. Okay, I was like, okay, the drop is coming up. What am I gonna do? I chose to do this little spin, but I whip around my leg and give it some effect at the end and kick out and go and do a running man. Okay. So that's what I mean by predictability. Okay. And that just goes along also with getting used to the drop and doing, it helps with the timing as well. So let me keep going here. Okay. Here we go. We're going to go one more time. And okay, so hopefully you're getting the concept of like predictability. Like, you're predicting not only what move you're going to do next, but what is kind of coming up next in the song. Sometimes it helps to listen to the song first and then dance to it after. So you can always do that. But sometimes it's fun to dance to a song you never heard before and just see what comes out. I do that quite a bit. But you can see on certain points when it would make those like crazy kind of like, kind of hypnotic or like robotic sounds, those windy sounds. I would do a like a slide, like a long slide, and I would play with that because I kind of like predicted. Okay, predictability. I predicted that was gonna happen, and in the sense of playing with the musicality and the timing again. Let me show you an example. Alright, listen right here. Okay, so So you see how there was like a pause right there. For example, you could stop, like say if you're doing your running man. Okay, so again, like predictability, kind of be able to have the forethought to look ahead and kind of feel out what's coming. Okay, and you'll get better and better at this. You'll get better at sensing the drops of the song that is, you know, when it's about to drop. You'll be able to hit the mark or hit the beat just perfect. Okay, but you'll get better at flowing through the song, and you'll be able to come out of a certain move and maybe go into another move, and it'll look good. It'll match up with what you're doing. Like I said, you're going to get better and better at it. So this today's lesson was on predictability. So hopefully that helps a little bit. I tried my best to explain it from my understanding, and yeah, that's it for today, guys. All right, we'll see you next time. Peace.